Hello friends, my name is Rafael Ferney Castro Mejia. Group 453 English course video realization. Spell my name RAFAEL FERNEY CLSTRO. My nationality is Colombian. I am from Villavicencio. I am 38 years old. My telephone number is 3125254352. My birthday is September 9. I was born in Villavicencio Meta Department. My address is car 45 with Street 14 B22. Marital status single. I work in the electronics workshop. My profession is electronic technician. My hobby is to repair electronic things. My house. There is a green cloth on the wall. There is a large television. There are some speakers on the sound equipment. There is a fan attached to the wall. There are several floors about the entrance. Thank you. Bye.